What's going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a hardware update. So we are going to go over the efficiency that we have been able to achieve with the Antminer S9 that we have been testing out here at the house. Now remember, this S9 does only have 2 hashing boards. It does not have 3. So the hash rates are lower than what one obviously would be with 3 hashing boards. Now, we are running also BraiinsOS Plus, and we're not using slush pool. We are actually using unminable to mine for what currently we're mining for Solana, but you can actually mine Bitcoin for Bitcoin on their pool and actually have one of the lowest payouts, like thresholds. If I'm not mistaken, it's like 0.00075. And most pools are 0.001 or higher. So we'll talk about that. We'll go over the efficiency we've been able to achieve and what the wattage looks like with that. And first, a word from our FA sponsor. Now, guys, of course, DogeLordCoffee.com, sponsor for the video. Please go check them out, because now you're seeing this right after Christmas, but it was announced before Christmas that DogeLord Coffee will be closing down the store for about a month or so at the beginning of like the 31st, like New Year's. So the coffee shop will be shutting down for a little bit of time. He's redoing the website, redoing some of the labels, some of the bags, going over a full revamp for the new year. And that'll be going like live on the 31st. So get your coffee while you can. Referral link down in the description below. I would greatly appreciate it. So get your brew on. But first, let's talk about this Antminer S9, shall we? Alright, so we are currently sitting right here with the Antminer S9. Looks like we're finally hitting a stable hash rate over here, which is why it's climbing back up, which is fantastic with me. I'm cool with that. The last one we were actually testing here was the 500 watt tune. So I'm actually curious now that it's finally actually like stable, since it does individually tune each individual chip for the auto tune. If it gets a little bit better hash rate, which I don't think it will. I think that was pretty much what it would be, like golden. But this is the 500 watt tune. Now it says 500 watts for the calculator, or for like what the max wattage is supposed to be pulling is 500 watts. But we're only pulling about 357 or 374 at the meter. Now the reason is because of that is when you go into configuration and you go into performance, you set power target for all hashing boards. Now, even though I have it set to enable to disable hashboard 8 because it's not there anyway, it still registers as if it was there for tuning. So you're gonna have to like do a little bit of math if you were gonna pull 1400 watts, what I've been doing. If you're pulling 500 watts, right? We'll start with 500. That's what we're on. You divide that by 3, because that would be 3 hashing boards. So you'd be pulling about 166 watts per board, kind of give or take. But we're just going to times that back by 2, which gives about 330 watts. Like, this is like a rough estimate, but we pull 357 or 370 at the wall after it's all said and done. So kind of keep that in mind, that's why it says 500 and we're not pulling 500 throughout the entire test. And here is the overview of like the full Antminer 2-board heater. All right, so if you were on last Christmas Eve's morning Good Morning Miners live stream, you saw this. There was actually quite a few data points still missing from that because I wasn't done testing. But here is the stock firmware settings for the Antminer S9 with 2 boards. Full tilt, 983 watts at the wall for 8.6 terahashes, giving it an efficiency of 114 watts per terahash. Now, 8.6, you can literally come all the way down here and say the better of the two would be 8.15 or 8.87, right, terahashes, and you would be pulling anywhere from 675 watts to 724 watts. So it greatly BraiinsOS Plus has greatly like improved the efficiency, that's like for sure. Running stock like as it sits, which it was pulling more watts, but we were able to pull 11.25 terahashes, and that's just on 2 boards. That is over stock hash rate at pretty much stock wattage at 2 boards. Pretty wild. I can imagine what it does with 3. We have one at the facility, and it's about after this month's hash rate giveaway is concluded. I'm gonna start doing that. See if we can get it to pull. Actually, see if we can pull good watts. I might set it to kind of tier 8 right here. This seemed to be like the most efficient between 8 and 9, which I was setting it at a 1075 like auto-tune setting. Now it ends up pulling about 753 watts at the wall metered, giving us 9.52 terahashes, which is pretty much stock like for an S9, but only pulling 750 watts. Pulls down the frequency, voltage, and of course that gives us an efficiency of 79 watts per terahash. I call that FA. That's a pretty dang good win in my book. And yeah, that's what I thought. So that's kind of where it sits. So this one is done. So the 500 watt will get you 4.06 terahashes or 92 watts per terahash. Kind of like the least best one. So it's kind of a breakdown over all of the auto tunes, so you can kind of give this a view. Now, like I said, we are using unminable for this. I'm currently mining for Solana, but I'm actually looking at changing that up. So I'd actually be curious what's your thoughts and comments down in the description below, or down in the comment section below. What should we mine for next on unminable? Should we acquire more flux? We're already mining for flux anyway. Should we acquire ApeCoin or just go for the good old Busy Bitcoin? I do have two other rigs on unminable with this S9, so earn some cake, I don't know. What should we do, guys? Would love to know what y'all's thoughts and comments are down in the description or down in the comment section. I would greatly appreciate that. But also, while you're down there putting your comment in, smash the like button. I would greatly appreciate that. It helps the engagement on the videos. I would greatly appreciate you putting a thumbs up and the comment. It would mean the world to me. And share the video if you can, because, you know, it'd be pretty FA if you did. If not, it's okay. Just comment and a like. But don't forget to subscribe. But without further ado, guys, we're going to head out of here. I'll have links for DogeLord Coffee before it leaves. And, of course, the referral link for Unminable down in the description below. Pretty FA. I would love to know what if you're running BraiinsOS, if you have an S9, what do you get at full tilt? Let me know. And catch you next time. Stay savage. Keep your hash rates up. Keep your watts low. Because remember, efficiency is the name of the game. And stay savage. Peace.